Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm good morning and we welcome you all in this Teachers' Day celebration event organized by 6th semester BBA students of People's Campus.
People's Campus continued the tradition of celebrating Teachers' Day yet again this year. The event organized by BBA Sixth semester of People's Campus was started with cultural ramp walk representing diversified yet united Nepal. One of the main highlights of the event was a Lifetime Achievement Award presented to Mr. Nirmal Mani Panthi, the former campus chief of People's Campus, in recognition to his 37 years long contribution towards the campus and students.
Life Achievement Award, the award भनेको एउटा इन्स्पिरेसनको लागि एउटा बहाना मात्रै हो, त्यो रिटायरमेन्टको एउटा टोकन चाहिँ होइन। हामी रहन पाऊँ, हामीले इन्स्पायर गर्दै जान सकौँ विद्यार्थीहरूलाई।
The students who exhibited academic excellence in the board exams were also felicitated with certificates the same day.
Okay, now from 6th semester, we would like to finally call our Student of the Year and PU topper, Miss Minu Tamang, on stage.
The event also witnessed an enthusiastic participation from the student community to celebrate this occasion. The students left no stones unturned in entertaining teachers with their performances in the big day.
जिम्मेवारी यो अभिभावक तपाईहरुले ह्यान्डओभर गरेर तपाईहरु सबैलाई म यो जिम्मेवारी दिन चाहन्छु ताकि यो कार्यक्रम हाम्रो आजको भन्दा पनि भव्य र सभ्य रूपले सफल होस् भन्ने म कामना गर्न चाहन्छु र अन्त्यमा यो कार्यक्रम औपचारिक रूपले यही समापन भएको घोषणा गर्दै म